With COVID-19 case numbers steadily rising enough to push Los Angeles County into the medium virus risk level, officials officially extended the mask-wearing requirement on public transit and at transportation hubs on Friday, May 20th. The county issued a health order late last month requiring masks on transit vehicles and at hubs such as airports and train stations. The requirement, however, was set to expire in a matter of days. Instead, the County Department of Public Health announced Friday that the mandate was being extended for either another 30 days or until the county sees a sharp drop in virus transmission, whichever comes first. Masks were previously required nationally on public transit and in transportation facilities, but a federal judge struck down the requirement last month. The county initially followed the ruling and the mandate was dropped locally, but when the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention opted to appeal the ruling, the county issued a new health order reinstating the requirement locally. The requirement affects people on trains, subways, buses, taxis, ride-hailing vehicles, and at bus terminals, subway stations and indoor port terminals. It also affects airports, but does not extend to airplanes, which are under federal jurisdiction. The extension of the transit masking requirement comes one day after the county moved from the CDC's low community virus activity category to medium. The shift came when the county's cumulative weekly rate of new COVID-19 cases exceeded 200 per 100,000 residents, reaching 202 per 100,000. The county reported 180 new COVID-19 cases on Friday, lifting the overall total from throughout the pandemic to 950. Another 10 virus-related deaths were also reported, raising the cumulative local death toll to 32,074. The average daily rate of people testing positive for the virus rose to 3.7%, up from 3.5% a day earlier. Moving to the medium category did not trigger any immediate changes in health regulations in the county, which was already maintaining stepped-up precautionary recommendations that align with the CDC's guidelines under the medium ranking. Those include requiring masks on public transit and at high-risk settings such as hospitals and homeless shelters, and maintaining widespread availability of vaccines and access to testing, including at-home kits. The county still is not mandating mask wearing in all indoor public settings, but officials are strongly recommending the practice. Masks would become mandatory indoors if the county slips into the high transmission level.